Hello and welcome to all of you on our skill oriented and productive platform. Right now we are going with the implementation of Azure Bastion demo, and we have a virtual machine on our Azure cloud platform. And here you can see I have a public IP address on this machine, and if I want to make remote desktop session, so I just use this public IP address, and after that I'll provide username and password, and by this way I can simply establish a remote desktop session with this virtual machine. But unfortunately, if I'm using this public IP address, my virtual machine will be exposed over the internet, which is not recommended, which is not secure. Second thing is that when I'm using a default remote desktop station for this purpose, so this connectivity will not be encrypted, or you can say the session will be completely unencrypted, or the session will be established in a plain text. It will be really easy for any intruder or hacker to get the detailed information about my remote desktop session, and any intruder or hacker can easily launch any kind of attack on my cloud infrastructure. So whenever we talk about the Azure Bastion, so Azure Bastion is generally used to secure your remote desktop session by implementing number of protocols which encrypt your complete session when you are going with the remote desktop connectivity. So here you can see process is very simple. So whenever we are going to implement the Azure Bastion, so Azure Bastion will protect our virtual infrastructure during remote desktop connectivity, and this process is very simple when we talk about the security implementation. And here you can see Azure Bastion will be completely facing the internet side of our cloud platform, and my virtual infrastructure will be completely hide or not exposing on internet. So outside user is not directly connecting with this virtual infrastructure. So whenever this outsider user make a remote desktop session, so this session will be completely handled by Azure Bastion. Second thing, whenever any user try to establish a remote desktop session, so this session will be used TLS latest technology, which make this session completely encrypted. So it will be really difficult, or you can say it will be completely impossible for any user to get a detailed information about your sessions. So let's move with the implementation